Hi friends, today we are going to try Bangalore style chicken kebab. Within short period of time we can easily make this chicken recipe. We get same taste as we receive in Bangalore restaurants. Now try this chicken kebab recipe at your home. Let's move to the video. In a bowl, take 500 gram chicken, add 1.5 tablespoon Maida, 1.5 tablespoon Cornflour, a pinch of Turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1.5 teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon Coriander powder, half teaspoon Cumin powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder. Also add 1 tablespoon whisked curd, 1.5 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon salt, a pinch of red food color, 1 whisked curd. Mix it well. Marinate for 1 hour in a refrigerator. Take the marinated chicken after 1 hour. Add 1.5 tablespoon rice flour before frying. Mix it well. Now take a pan, heat 3 tablespoon oil. Fry the chicken pieces on medium flame for 5 to 6 minutes. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon. Now we can switch off the flame. Our Bangalore style chicken kebab is ready. If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.